Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel guys. Yes, I'm back. I'm back with another one guys. I'm back. And yes, I haven't been uploading of late because I've been extremely busy guys. So I've just been busy, absolutely busy, but I have come with something completely different. um yeah, I just want to share with you guys. It's new to me as well, so I thought let's just have it on my channel guys. So this right here is a wig turban. Yes, a wig turban. I've seen this, I was like, you know what, let's try this out. So this is a wig turban. So it is synthetic, it's not human. I haven't come across a human hair one. It's more synthetic. So this is, I think this is like a 14-inch because it didn't say the inch, but this is like a 14-inch. And yeah, I just seen it. I thought, ooh, let's give this a try. I just think it's quite handy. Like, say if you're on holiday, and you've decided you're changing your hair, I don't know, one to go in the pool or whatever, like sometimes during holiday, some people do either go with braids or they can change their hair a lot with different wigs and stuff. So I thought this is quite cool. And also, like, say for instance, if you're going to get your hair done and your hair's looking like a hot mess, or if you're on a school run and you know what, let me just put this on. So I think this is a great idea. Or if you're having a bad hair day, just pop this on. So I just want to show you um what it looks like in the inside of it. And as you can see, there's like a long strip there, but it's just literally one strip. I think they did a great job, and I think this is a great idea. The only thing, I think the turban itself, it is a bit it's very thick. It's very, very thick, and the quality is absolutely good. But I literally thought it would have just been one material of the turban, but actually in both sides they've got both of the material. I would probably, I would suggest that they just did it with one and not two, because just in case if it's like a really hot day. But maybe, I mean, the material is not cotton. It's like that kind of explain what type of material it is, but it is that type of material will dry really quick. So like, say for instance, with a bit of, if you had got it wet, it would dry very quick. So I'm assuming even though it's double, it has double of this, it is probably still light, because it's not cotton. It's definitely not cotton. But yes, so I'm gonna try this on guys. I literally have not put it on. It literally just came in a post, and we're gonna try it. Okay, so I have this on. It doesn't have any grips, so I'm gonna put the grips in myself. I'm gonna just sew grips on the side, put one grip here and one grip here and one grip at the back, so I'll feel that it's more secure. But yes, it doesn't come with any grips, which I'm quite surprised, because I thought it would have had grips with this type of turban. Because I mean, it feels like it's, because this material is so thick, maybe that's probably why they made it a bit thick, so it holds it down. Because if it was too light, of a light fabric, will probably come off. But yeah, the fabric or material, it is very thick, so maybe that's probably why guys, it is quite thick. I like it. I'm already liking it so far. Like, I think this must be a 12-inch or a 14-inch. So I think this is roughly a 14 or a 12-inch guys. I'll show you the back. You see the back? Yeah. So they had this in orange. So they didn't have much. They didn't have this in black, because I think if they had this in black, I would have bought black instead of this color. But I'm assuming white and black can go with any little thing. You can kind of put it together if you want to maybe wear a red top or a different color top. I'm assuming that's probably the contrast of it. I wish they had it in black, because it would go just definitely well. They had this in orange and this color. There was loads of different types of turbans. Like, I mean, so much different turbans, but different types of style. So much different types of style. You had like curly on the top and then the turban round here and curly at the back. But I don't think I'm ready. I don't think, yeah, I don't think I'm ready for that type of stuff. But this is just very, you know, it's natural. It's quite natural. This is something like just put it on and you're good to go. But like I said, I will put the grips on from the back to the side. So as for shipping, it took literally 2 weeks to come, or less than 2 weeks. So it didn't take a long time. It wasn't 3 weeks or 4 weeks. It took less than 2 weeks to come. So that was really good. The only thing, I mean, it's a reasonable price. I will leave the link down below for you guys. The only thing I am finding, like when you are purchasing things overseas now, that's not in the UK, and I'm sure US probably have the same now as well, where you are paying tax on top of it and plus the shipping. So that kind of adds up. Because on the app, we're talking about Aliexpress because I've got it from Aliexpress. On the app on Aliexpress, you will see the price. But the moment you click to check out, it gives you tax, shipping. And sometimes the shipping is ridiculous. And sometimes like you have to weigh it out. So if you're going to buy more than one goods to add that to your shopping cart, that will all add up. So yeah, so it's slightly changed a little bit, but it is a reasonable price. Absolutely a reasonable price. But I like it. Let me know if you guys are going to try this. Leave your comments down below, or if you've seen it and you thought about trying it, definitely go for it. Definitely go for it. And it is quite, as you can see, quite stretchy. Now if someone's going to rip it off, which hopefully they shouldn't rip it off, or you know, try to snatch it off your head, I'm sure that's probably why these bits are quite tight here. It's very thick here, like quite secure. But I'm going to put my grips in because I feel that it will be more secure with the grips. That's just a downfall. I wish they put the grips in because they did not put not one grip in there. But yes, I'm loving this. So guys, leave your comments down below. If you're going to try this as well, please let me know. And I will see you guys on my next video. And I've got another one for you guys, so stay tuned as well. I'm trying to do like different different things, like doing with wigs, you know. So my next video will be quite interesting as well, guys. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for my loyal subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, guys. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.